Hello and welcome back. In last video lecture, we have learned the method overriding. Now in this video lecture, we are going to learn the ambiguity arised in a inheritance. So this is the same code we have done in a method overloading. So here we are having three classes: class A, class B, and and class C. And A and B are the parent of a class C. And our method overriding suggests that if the derived class have the function which is also available in a parent class, then this function is going to override or supersede the previous version of our parent classes. So here A and B both are the parent classes, and here C function is going to override these two functions specified above. Okay, so now let's compile this code. This is 65. Yes. So let's compile this. This is the same code we already executed in the previous example. So here we got the ARMC. So ARMC, it means this function is going to override. So now let's suppose I'm going to delete this function in a derived class. Now this is not going to override. So now the class C, which is of a child class of A and B, and I am calling the function which is available in the both of the classes. So here it's a multiple inheritance. It's inheriting something from the A and the B. So now this function fn is available in both A and B. Now let's see. Now in this case, what would be the output? Now we have declared the object of a derived class, and fn is not available in a C, so there is no function overriding concept. But those two functions are available in the both of the classes, parent classes A and B. Okay, so why it's not compiling? So it's taking some time, some compiler issue. Okay, so now most probably we will get an error in this particular situation. That is because this object of a C will get confused that should I execute I am A or I am B, because you are calling fn and fn is available in the both the classes. So this is known as ambiguity or confusion. So compiler get confused that should I invoke the function from a class A or from a class B. So this is ambiguity, known as ambiguity in inheritance. So there is some compiler issue. The machine. So I'm going to close the compiler. This happens. Now you can see here we will have an error that this function, the request of a member function fn is ambiguous. So I already explained the term that why it is ambiguous, because it doesn't know that should I execute the A version or a B version. So candidates are, so fn is available in class B also and from a A also. So that's why it's got confused. Now, if I make any one of these as a comment, or I should delete it, so in that particular case, I will not have any error because there is no any confusion. So it directly knows that in this parent, I will have access to that fn. So similarly, if I am going to comment from A, so it's going to execute any one of the available function in the above hierarchy. So if it is having two versions, then ambiguity will arise. So you can see no error even in this case. So error will arise when it will get confused. So now A and B both are having fn, and C no overriding. If you're not putting overriding concept, not putting the method in a C, so it is not following overriding concept, and in that particular case there should be one version of that particular function in a parent. So here, okay, so how to resolve the ambiguity? So to resolve the ambiguity, let's suppose I want to still go with this code that both of the function is having their individual the function with the same name. So in that particular case, I can direct the compiler that object dot class name, then scope resolution operator, then function name. So this is the correct syntax. So this is the way to resolve the ambiguity in multiple inheritance. So look here, A, fine. So if I am going to replace A with the class B, so it means I'm instructing the compiler, though this function is present in the both of the classes A and B, but in this particular situation, I specify that call the function of a B class. So here I will have B. So this is the way how to resolve the ambiguity in multiple inheritance. Again, some compiler issue. So in this particular case, we will have the output I am B. So now this is the concept of ambiguity, but there are sort of different ways to resolve the ambiguity in a diamond structure. We are going to learn that thing in the next video lecture, that how to resolve the ambiguity in a diamond structure. Until then, keep subscribe my YouTube channel so that you will get update videos, and I'm going to include the source code in the description, so you can have this code so that you can practice. Thanks for watching.